Mental Health Awareness Day, and our team was deployed into Usamis National High School to interview some students about their mental health. Over to you, Daniel Padaplin.
Previous slide, I am the reporter here on the scene, Mr. Daniel Padaplin. We are currently on OCNHS to interview some students who are undergoing mental health issues such as depression, anxiety, and more.
I'm not quite sure, but okay.
Kumusta na ang iyong mental health?
Sa totoo lang po, hindi ko talaga.
And why is that?
May mga school problems po kasi kami. But aside from that, may family problems din kami. Kaya hindi po ako nakakakulang sa school.
What's your coping mechanism? Ito, have you ever considered talking to a guidance counselor?
Wala po akong mechanism kasi hindi rin po ako nag-approach na guidance counselor because
Well, huwag kang mahiya dahil ang mga guidance counselors nandito upang mag-provide ng service para sa mga kabataan ngayon. Especially, they are undergoing their mental health issue crisis. And as long as kung kaya mo pa, why not approach them early?
kung po itatry.
That's the spirit. Fight lang. Thank you. At yun ang nagbabagang balita dito po sa OCNHS Mental Health Awareness Day.
Salamat sa update dyan, Mr. Daniel Padaplin. Now we are going to showbiz, would lead by Miss Casey.
Salamat! Now on Showbiz, pinakinalaan ng mysterious couple ni-reveal na spotted sa isang cottage area sa isang famous restaurant ang sikat na actor na si Miss Rachel Ann Gago at si Mr. Enrique Hel kuha sa isang video sa netizen na ang dalawang actor na kasama sa isang balconay sa isang well-known restaurant. Pero sa ngayon, walang official statement galing sa dalawa. Agency nila.
Rachel!
Mainit-init pala ang showbiz chika natin ha. Mainit din ang panahon. Ano kaya ang weather forecast natin dyan?
Ang weather condition ngayong linggo para sa nakaraang linggo.
Heat index has dropped to the limits. Ngayon dito sa Lamis City, nasa 45 Celsius. Ngayong 47 Celsius. Ngayong Martes, 20 degrees Celsius. Ngayong Mercury at Leves. At 49 Celsius degrees sa Bernex. Huwag kalimutan magbaon ng tubig at payong para maiwasan ang kainitan ng panahon.
Don't change the channel. We'll be right back after this short advertisement.
Ngayong Lunes,